Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the iMessage waiting for activation problem. If you're enjoying the videos, please click subscribe and like. Let's get straight to it. Okay, I'll walk you through a bunch of steps in the settings. First one is to check your connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. The best option is to have a Wi-Fi connection that is strong and stable. You will need to go to messages, scroll to messages, and then turn off and on the focus and iMessage option. Okay. Then you will need to check your date and time. Make sure it's up to date and going well. Then you will need to make sure that you have the latest software update. If not, please update. Then scroll down again to messages and go to send and receive. Make sure you have your mail selected, not your phone. Next step is to go to Safari browser options. Scroll down to clear history and website data and go ahead and clear history. Next, click on General, go to VPN right here. Make sure it's not connected. Next is go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Reset and choose the Reset Network settings. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.